Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sem. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. Okay. Before moving to the chart, I want to remind you about our what you call our studies. Okay. What is this? Price going up, volume going down. Just remember these two things. Okay. Price going up, volume going down. It's a reversal. Where the reversal will happen, that is bearish reversal. Okay. Now we will go to the charts. Okay. This is the monthly chart, friends. Okay. This is monthly chart. You can see your monthly chart. You can see the volume is going down. Volume is going down. Price is going up. What is the meaning? When we come back to this chart and see what is the meaning. Sorry. What is the meaning of it? When we draw, it takes over the chart. Okay. What is the meaning of it? There will be a reversal. When volume doesn't say that, but it gives a indication that market is going up without any volume. Okay. Market is going up without volume going down. Okay. Okay. Market going. Now we'll check the weekly also. You can see weekly volume is also going down. What is the meaning of that? Monthly volume going down, weekly volume going down, that market is going to reverse from somewhere. Okay, right? That we'll check in our chart. Okay. You can see this is a weekly chart. You can see here there is considerable consolidation happening here at this point. 10,526 will be a very crucial support. Okay, weekly. Here also you can see there is a consolidation about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. It is not able to break down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 12 weeks it is not able to break down. It came down. Okay. It came down and went up. Came down and went up. So when this point is a support, when market is coming from the bottom, it lags at a strong resistance also. Right, friends? Hope you understand. Okay, market will reverse. Today or tomorrow it will reverse. From where it will reverse, when it will reverse, it's all depend upon tomorrow's opening, day after tomorrow opening, all those things. Okay. We'll go back to daily chart. Again, here also you can see supply zone is forming. So this high of 10,522 is a very crucial. If it breaks with volume, it will go up. Otherwise, market will come down without any doubt. We'll check global clues. Global US Nasdaq is down by 2.59%. Europe is mixed. Asia is also mixed, but biased towards bull. If FIIDA data, all of a sudden they have become negative. This person has become positive. How do you know that? You have to track the data. Okay, you can see here 24th, 25 data is missing. 24th, 1766, 26 they are 753 minus. Here total change from minus to plus. These people are bullish, these people are bearish. Let us see what happens tomorrow when the market opens. Okay, right. Also we check what global data. This you have seen weekly and daily. Daily also you can see the volume is not supported. Market will form. I am bearish about the market. From where it will fall as per the intraday chart, we will be able to analyze it. In 1 hour you can see it is taking support. All these lines are respected. So let us see after opening tomorrow, right? Bank Nifty also is a similar case. Okay, this high is 22,468 is very important. If it breaks with volume, it will go up, otherwise it will come down. In Nifty, it is at the crucial level, like I will tell you what is that level. Go to daily chart. Okay, withdraw or FIGNAP with a recent high of some 12,000 change to 7,500 change. You will see at 61.8. 61.8 is a golden retracement level. Falling market coming up to 61.8 means it has to fall back. All these things are indicating that market will be bearish in a long term. Immediate terms, intraday, you should have some strong, what you call intraday charts where you will be able to analyze it and take a call on that. You can see here, this high is not broken intraday. What is this high? Just follow the red line. See, from here market has fallen. Okay, just follow the red line. Somewhere you can see market has fallen down in the month of March. So as per our analysis, market will be in bearish in a long term. Intraday, as per the charts, we have to analyze and take a call. Okay, right friends, thanks for watching. Today is a very short video. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. Also press the bell icon. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.